Well, we have the Kubota in the workshop, and I was using it to get some stuff put up there because I was redoing this corner and stuff, and that one. And then I took off driving to go take some stuff down under the pile, and it made me remember I still got a lot of work to do to this thing. I got to get the lights in, got to get the dash finished, and I think there's a few other things. Oh yeah, throttle issue, where it returns to idle whenever you throttle it up. So yeah, got to figure that out now. Probably just as easy as tightening a bolt on the bottom. So yeah, I reckon let's get to it. Well, that's the Kubota fixed up and ready to go. Got some loads done with it, took some limbs down there from the top, and it seems to be working pretty well. So, yay, that's great. Don't know what else to do with this thing. I mean, the lights are working, the throttle's now working properly, the bumper's on it. I guess the only other thing to do is just keep on using it and all that fun stuff. Not let it sit around. So, hope you all enjoyed this, and I'll talk to y'all later. Adios, everybody. Yep. Pushed out. Just gotta love it. I still can't believe that little piece of shit right there.
Get the big pair of channel locks, please.
That little piece of shit took 4 weeks to get in. I hate stuff nowadays. Shipping has gotten out of control.
What?
Shipping has gotten out of control. It takes way too long nowadays to get stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Where before you could have it like within the week or within a few days. I remember all that one-day shipping stuff that used to happen.
Yeah.
Those companies.
Well, you still can. You just got to pay more, and a lot of people don't want to pay that more.
Yeah. It's just so hard to do it nowadays without how much demand there is.
Yeah.
Is this basically just a bigger version of like the valve that we missed yesterday?
Practically. Okay, I got an O-ring to go right here.
Yeah.
We can put that O-ring on too. Okay.
Now the rest of this has to come off.
Yeah.
I was starting to get worried for a second you may not break it loose.
There's Will.
Yep, it's heavy. Good God.
It is.
Wasn't expecting it to be that heavy.
You never do.
About 15 to 20 pounds in that. My 10-pound weight's heavier, not heavier than that thing. It's lighter than that thing, actually. The other side can stay on, right? This side can stay on.
Yeah, that's good.
Big O-ring.
Almighty.
Having troubles turning it.
Yeah.
Yay! Well, you broke it loose now, so hopefully it just gets easier from that point.
About right.
Well, we could check it with that thing, pretty much, you think? And it's in, mostly.
Where's that socket I gave you one? I mean, you took off a while ago.
Right here.
Right here.
You're welcome. Get all those on and then we can test this thing, I guess. Is this like, is that on and this is just cut off? Or is everything cut off?
What do you mean?
The water.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Is this the only thing that's cut off, or is it cut off there
No,
too?
that's the only thing that's cut off.
Okay. I needed to know what I needed to get or not. So I guess I don't need to get anything. Because we have pretty much everything down here for that. Yep.
Oh. I can't get that off again.
You having problems? Come on, work. Whenever you can finally get to it. Okay.
No leak.
Yep. Just what we like to see. Do you still want to go just do a quick run through the system?
Not really. I'm going to turn zone 23 off and let it go.
Okay, fine with it. Why did I put this in my pocket?
I don't know. We take it with us.
Well, it's good to be down in there and ready, you know? Just in case one gets broken off. Well, that's good. Seems to be holding up pretty well.
I ain't filling up. I'm going to put this up.
Okay. That's that, I guess.